What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. So I bought the Incipio iPhone 7 or your iPhone 8 4.7 inch case. I mean, even they make the new iPhone 11 cases. Let's see how good is this case. The first impression seems quite good of the packaging. Let me open from the bottom and then let's see. Okay, here we go. Okay, I really like the first impression. It seems quite nice. I really like the box, how the box opens. Okay, I'm really liking it. Can to take out this paper, I think so. Yeah, come out. Okay, this is a booklet. Okay, it's finally out. Let me just put inside there. And then the case is clear case from back. I mean, overall I'm liking it, to be honest with you. Let me show you from the back. Overall it's quite nice, I can say that for sure. This is quite beautiful. The first impression is quite nice. Okay, what is that? I can see a line, something scratch, to be honest with you. Maybe it's my pencil. Okay, there's a scratch out here. So anyway, I can recommend, but make sure, maybe I will contact Amazon. There's a scratch. Can you see this scratch? If you put the case, it will be more noticeable. But other than that, I can recommend it. It was me.